Hello everyone, I am Lian Beatriz Buse, a third-year BS Tourism Management student from De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. And we're here in Palawan, one of the Philippines' top tourism destinations. Join me as we explore and learn from Palawan's world-class attractions.
Sa buhay, sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo, ngunit ngayon.
For day 1, we visited Ihawig Penal Farm, the Crocodile Farm, Baker's Hill, and Mitchell's Ranch, showing community-based tourism, environmental practices, and local entrepreneurship.
Huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan. At kung sakaling kipitin ay laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.
Day 2 was our beach day. Aside from enjoying the view, we also learned how Palawan protects its coastlines and marine life, making sure the beaches stay clean and well preserved.
Minsan ay parang wala nang bukas.
On day 3, we explored Ugong Rock for spelunking and ziplining, then joined the Mangrove Paddle Boat Tour, highlighting conservation efforts and the important role of community guides.
Mga buwan, mga tiyan natin walang laman, ngunit kahit na walang pera, ang bawat gabi anong saya. Ngunit ngayon, kay bilis maglaho ng kahapon. Sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan. At kung sakaling kipitin ay laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. Minsan ay hindi mo na alam ang nangyayari.
Thank you for joining me on this journey. The DLSUD Tourism Management Program gives us opportunities to learn beyond the classroom and experience tourism in real-world settings. Until next time, see you in Palawan.
Tayo ay nilimot ng kahapon.